First attempt namin ng jogging. Sunday today. Magja-jogging kami. First day of walking. Definitely not the It's already 6:30. We woke up at 6 a.m. And then we will start. Today is light walking.
How far can you walk?
Let's see.
I don't have a bike to take you back, huh?
Okay. Then we'll sleep there wherever we stop.
Because mom is going now.
We will not walk that long. Maybe until there and then we'll go.
Where? We go until the field.
Kasi hindi na ako nakakatulog. So, kailangan ko nang mag-stretch and walking, you know. Ayun yung paligid. It's 6:30 pero maliwanag na. So, baka pag may work siya, masaagahan namin mga 5:30, ganyan. Hopefully. Pero kasi gising na ako nun. Mga 4 a.m. dito sa India, gising na ako. So, let's see. What can you say?
Nothing, love.
Why love?
Walking or walking fun.
Walking! I'm not allowed to jog. Who told you I'm allowed to jog? Tango. So yun, update ko kayo kung may narating ba kami o wala kaming narating. Maybe no one is there.
The coconut climber.
Oh, like that?
Yeah, that is for climbing coconut trees.
Oh.
You pay in here.
Kung naririnig niyo yung background music, I think it's a temple music, no? And so, 2 minutes away from our house, ito na yung makikita mo. Ito na yung road. Parang asphalt siya. So, yun yung clouds. Ang ganda ng clouds! Good day to jog. For Akil. Ito ang paligid. Hindi siya Na-miss niya na din kasing mag-running kasi dati nag-gym yan. Nag-gym siya sa UAE. So yun, lang tayo. Lakad ganda lang tayo. Nahiya akong mag-vlog, may tao. Maya na lang ulit. Hindi ko pa na-vlog tong part na to. Kasi sa kabilang part eh. Di ba ang ganda niya? Parang mga ano-ano siya. Ayan. Hindi ko nadala yung ko. Ayan si Akil. I want to go that part. That with coconuts like this. Do you remember when we stopped the bike?
That is that side.
Ah, that side? No, that with coconut.
What coconut?
That would, you remember that time we stopped the bike because mom's tire is here?
That is not park.
I didn't say park. I said with coconuts like this. Ang dami Diba?
There's a field that side. I thought we'll go there, but if you can't walk back, it's a problem.
Mga cows nila. Say hi sa mga cow. Ay mga tita ni Akil. Nakasari sila. Where are they going now?
Temple.
Diba ang ganda ng mga suot nila. There's a lot of it. Oh, nice color of the dog. Same as my dog in the Philippines. Yo, but he's pink.
Oh, morning pea. That's the center of the road, see? He's marking his territory.
Same as temple where Mom and Vilma go.
No, no. Mom and Valva going on scooter. They are just walking. So you can make out.
They're going every Sunday like that?
No, no.
Siguro mga 30 minutes walk lang yung kaya ko. First attempt pa lang naman. So yeah. This house is nice, see? Mom's favorite color is purple. Ganda oh. It's just 6:36 a.m. Pero tignan mo naman, sobrang liwanag na. And then the people are busy. Even if it's Sunday. Like they're going in the temple or somewhere. So imagine what time they're waking up and preparing. Right.
It will take time for me to recover. I have to keep on walking now. I'm not able to run like before.
Sa ano kasi, Al-Ain,
This is where we used to repair bike before.
lagi
It was very
kaming...
near. Now we have to go there.
Why?
He is in actually Oman.
Oh.
Whenever he comes here, he gets an order of huge bikes. Repair.
Because it's a good, ano.
He's a very good. His brother is there where I've kept. 3 brothers. 2 brothers are into this position.
At the end of this, we go back na, no?
End of what?
The coconut. I'm feeling something in my legs na. I don't know what happened to my skin. There's dark spots somewhere else. I'm feeling the tiredness now. Akil really don't like on vlogs, but I'm using him because I'm having a lot of views when he's there. So he don't have choice.
On that side. Go.
Because the people are curious about him. Because he's not usually talking. That's why.
What is that? Peacock?
Oh, there's peacocks. I will show you. Kung hindi sila nag-fly, show ko yung ano, peacock. Gosh, see the view. So nice. Huwag niyo nang pansinin yung pigmentation sa leeg ko. I tried to scrub it and all. But what to do? It's part of pregnancy. Yeah. Meron kami nakitang upuan. Wait, magpapapicture ako kay Akil. Love you, take photo of me. Ewan ko bakit may pigmentation yan everywhere. Sa kilikili ko and everywhere. Basta.
Where's my phone? You. Oh, no need.
Naliligo naman ako eh.
Ay, why it's like corgi?
Diba? May nakita kaming upuan dyan. Tambayan.
Not weird.
I need in my vlog.
Sleeping, blah blah, all those things.
That is good, no? Okay.
That is good.
Where are you? Where are you? You ano kasi when I'm asking for food. See this side. Do you think it will look good? This side.
Love.
Bilis na. See your face.
See your face.
Your force.
Look like rat.
Rata. Where's the cockroach? I
Wanna go back or how? Can you walk more?
I'm looking for the anong peacock.
Peacock is gone already. It will stay for you.
It will stick for. I have peacock that stayed for me.
Walk this side, go.
My girl, my girl, my girl. Ang ganda ng flowers.
Done? You go to Velima home, take the milk and go back. And that's enough for the day for you. No need for more guessing.
You say hi, Ina. What gising?
Hi.
What are you saying? Pabalik na kami. So, we just walk maybe 20 minutes. Oh yeah, 20 minutes. Ano lang muna. Sarap ng hangin, ang lamig. Parang malapit na kasi siyang mag-pop. Tapos we're actually planning for, of course, normal delivery. We want normal delivery. Tapos wala pa yung mama ko dito. So, tapos baka hindi pwede ang husband sa loob or anyone sa loob ng labor room. So, I really wanted it to be as easy as possible. We wanted normal delivery. But if needed, I hope not, because I'm scared and I don't want the recovery of cesarean section and some, what's that? Side effects. So yun, I'll be back when we're at house na. Dito na kami sa bahay. Umikot kami. Doon kami dumaan sa likod. Ito yung view ko everyday. Yeah, so we're here. See the flowers of mom. We made it. There's a lot of flowers now, but others are like aging. Ah, what a good morning. It's already 7 a.m. We just walked 30 minutes.